Hi there. Thanks for watching. My name is Tara Long. I'm happy to have you here. So this is going to be kind of a mix. You'll notice on my YouTube channel I have natural law videos and I have mastering your energy videos, and this is kind of both. But I really want to talk about, in terms of natural law, we have all these processes and paperwork and all this stuff, which is beautiful. It's a beautiful way to reclaim your power, your sovereignty, to know who you are. And it's as important, if not more important, to do, like I always say, the inner work, right? Because everything is energy. So there's all these processes you can do, or different processes you can do to discharge debt, if you will, right? Because there really is no debt. And if if you take one of my classes or courses, you'll learn that, and learn how to do that, or different ways that you can do that. But the question I want to ask today, and it's a deep one, is, are you in debt within, right? Are you in debt in here within yourself? Are you honoring yourself, right? When we do this work of natural law, we are taking our power back and we're saying, hey, actually, I'm a living woman or a living man. I'm not some dead entity, some legal fiction. That's not who I am. I'm a representative for that, but I'm a living, breathing, conscious being, right? Man or woman. And I live on the land and on the soil, and I'm here and I exist and I have a right to that, right? And I'm worthy of that. So we are creating honor within ourselves. We are remedying things that have been in disharmony for a long time within ourselves, but in the world as well. So this work is equally inner and outer, or maybe more inner, right? Everything is inner, starts inner. So where are you in debt within you? Are you? And that could be, spiritually, right? Is there a connection? And I'm not talking about religion, but just a connection to yourself as an infinite being, or as not just this body, right? As a soul, yourself as a soul, to the divine, whatever you call that, universe, God, creator, higher power, whatever that is for you, okay? Do you feel connected to that, right? Or is that in debt? Do you feel connected to yourself? Do you know yourself, right? Are you in honor in the relationship you have with you, right? Are you lying to yourself about something, like continuing to do an action, or to do something that is not in alignment, that isn't in alignment, but you just keep doing it because it's maybe easier. You don't want to face it. You don't want to deal with it, right? You're just like, being in alignment with your soul, right? With your essence, with the truth of who you are. And the soul does have a material aspect, right? It's the masculine and feminine aspects coming together, and there is a materiality there. It's another story, but being in alignment with that, your soul will tell you what's right for you, what's true for you. What is your path? What is for you? What is here for you? What is your work to do, right? What is your purpose here? What are you here for? All of these things. And when we're not in alignment with that, and we just continue on, but yet we're like, oh, let me go and do all my paperwork in natural law, and I'm asking the world, the universe, I'm asking Creator to be in harmony with me and could come back to myself, but yet I'm still doing things outside of myself. And there's no judgment here, none at all. This is all about you and your journey. But if you're still doing things that aren't in alignment and are continuing to do those things, and yet wanting to be more sovereign, like, sovereignty is an inner game, guys. Like, I'm sure you know that, right? And if you're on this journey, probably you're already on this journey, on this inner sovereignty journey. But it is the time, especially in these times in this realm that we're in, this we could call it a planet or whatever it is. We are here for something really incredible. Really, really, we're going through a major shift right now in this realm of consciousness. Consciousness is raising, um, and there are those, not for everybody, but it is for you if you're watching this. And so it's just the time to come inside and ask, where am I not in honor with myself? Where am I in debt inside? Because then that obviously gets reflected outside, especially if you have, life will show you, right? Your finances will show you, all these things will show you where you're at and here. And so it is time to look at that and to pay attention to that and to take whatever action you need to take. And to, of course, love yourself through all of it, right? Totally and unconditionally. But yeah, I just wanted to give a little bit of a insert some of that inner game energy here in all these videos and on my channel. So as you know, it's always about the energy. It doesn't matter what's going on externally. It's always about the energy. So thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. I do have a Create Your Own Private Membership Association class that you can find on my website. I'll link it below. My Be Free course I've just released. It is now all totally online. And there's 21 videos that go in chunks, go through everything that you would need to know about, well, not everything. There's this work this field is really big, but that you would need to know, for now to start your journey, your sovereignty journey. And, you can go on my website and look at that. Yeah, and I also do one-on-ones, one-on-one consults or coaching, whether it's to do with the practical natural law stuff or the inner stuff, right? I've been a life coach for a very long time as well. So I'm here for you if you would like to reach out. You can also set up a 15-minute consultation with me. Just go to my website and you can find all that there. And if you want news and updates on what's going on and what I'm up to, and to get these videos when they come out, just sign up for my newsletter. Just go to my website, taralong.com, and you can sign up for my newsletter. And I don't send more than one a week, and it's not even always that much. So, all right, thanks so much, and wishing you a beautiful day.